What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna see how you can change your profile picture for your YouTube channel. It is super simple. You simply go to youtube.com to find your YouTube channel and then click on the top right on your profile picture and then view your channel, and then it will take you there to your own unique YouTube channel. And then to change your profile picture, you would simply click right here on your picture to change it, or you can also go to channel customization right here by clicking on this button. And once you are at channel customization, you can scroll a little bit lower to find your profile picture right here. And keep in mind that your profile picture should be big enough, at least 98 by 98 pixel and 4 megabytes or less. So not too big, but big enough. You can use JPEG, PNG, or GIF. Right? No animation file. And then you simply click on change, select your new profile picture, click open to upload your profile picture. And then right here, you will have your new profile picture. And then you would click on the top right, publish to save simply your changes. And then going back to your YouTube channel, you can simply refresh the page and you will see your new profile picture at the top right here in your YouTube channel. I hope this tip was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching. Click right here to see the next tip to creating a YouTube channel, and I will see there in this new